Hi everyone. So now I'm going to show you how to download and install ABSS Connect. Okay, either ABSS Connect Accounting or ABSS Premier Connect. Okay, once you already registered with ABSS Connect, you will receive an email something like this. So it will give you a download link. Okay, click here for download, and also your serial number will be given. So you just click on the link, the download ABSS Accounting Connect or Premier Connect. If you click here, it will download the installer. Okay, it will take like a few minutes to download to your PC. So once already completed to download, you will see the file in your download folder. Okay, something like this. It's a zip file. So you can just double click on the file. Okay, you will see there's a ABSS Premier Connect setup.exe. Just double click on it, then it will run. Okay, it will open up and start to install. Okay, okay, just click next. Then you click on accept, next. Then you click on typical. Okay, you don't have to change anything. Just click next. Just click yes, and then just click install, and it will install ABSS Accounting Connect or Premier Connect. Okay, it will install. It will take a few minutes to install. Okay, you don't worry about your old version. You know, your ABSS Accounting or Premier, the older version in your PC, it will not affect anything to them. Okay, the old version still can be open and can run. Okay, even you already installed the new version, this ABSS Premier Connect and ABSS Accounting Connect. So it will take a few minutes to download, to install into your PC. It depends on your PC speed, CPU speed, and performance. Okay, if you use a faster CPU, so it will install faster. If using a slower CPU, like Celeron or maybe Core i, Core i3, then it will be slower. We recommend if you're faster, you use Core i5 or Core i7. All right. Once you already completed the installation, okay, you can tick on the Launch ABSS Premier Connect or Accounting Connect. Just click Finish. Then it will launch the application. Okay. This is the ABSS Premier Connect. Okay. It looks quite similar to the previous accounting, ABSS Accounting or Premier. So to try for the first time, you just can click Explore Sample Company, and then user ID, you just leave it as administrator. Just click OK, and it will open. This is the sample file only. Okay, not your data file. Okay, this is just a clear water Sdn Bhd. It's just a sample file for you to test. All right. So this is the way how you're going to download and install your ABSS Premier Connect. Okay. In the next video, I will show you how to upgrade your existing data file. All right. Okay. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.